Hi guys and girls. This is your ate slash kuya, Tomiko De Santos, once again passing through your news feed in Instagram and in your Facebook account. Hi guys and girls, how are you doing today? The weather is not that nice. It's already May 2025 and it's raining here in our region. I like to do a collective reading for all of us, and this is only feng shui connected. I don't use black magic, so you don't need to worry. And I also have a clean conscience and a clean heart. My religion is also Catholic, so this is just all pure feng shui, so you don't need to be scared, don't need to be worried. I just like to help a lot of people. Okay, let's get back to the reading. So we have cards here and it's 78 cards. By the way, before I start my reading, you can follow me on my Facebook account, Tomiko De Santos. My Instagram account is De Santos Tomiko. My page is Cristel De Santos / Colin Lapid. And I also have a TikTok account. My account is CrystalK85. I will just put the links below this video. So let's shuffle the cards. How are you doing, guys? Maybe some of you are working or some of you are studying. Some of you are still sleeping and some of you are just inside the house. Whatever you are doing today, just always know that God loves you and I'm just a life guide. Others say that you just need to trust God and avoid feng shui. Actually, feng shui is not bad. It's just helping a lot of people. For example, if you are praying for something to happen within 1 year, when you use feng shui, you can shorten the time span by 6 months only. So you save a lot. You save a lot of time and effort. You save your life. That's how feng shui works. I am also the kind of consultant that I can mix feng shui with the Catholic Church. I know some of you are still thinking that they are both enemies, but for me, it's not. I am a pure Catholic since I was a child, and ever since I use feng shui always. So I'm shuffling my cards. If you have any questions, you can chat me on my Facebook account, Tomiko De Santos. And if anyone wants to ask help from me, don't be shy. uh, if you want to cast the devil out of the body, or if someone needs magtatawas, I can also do that. Or if somebody wants to have a face reading, you can just send me the picture of the person and I can tell the attitude, so that when you get married, it will not be too late. I can still save you, so that your partner will not hurt you in the future, in the near future. If anyone wants to go abroad, I can also help you with that. Okay, these are the cards. We already shuffled it. Let's see what we can pick here. Oh, and my cards jumped into the bed, just like that. Oh, okay. We have the Tower card. Wow, we have the World card. King of Swords. Three of Swords. This will be a long reading. Okay. Six of Pentacles. This is Six of Coins. Nine of sticks. Three of cups. Knight of cups. Okay. So we have 8 cards here. The first card that jumped is the Tower card. Okay. What I can feel in this card is that at this point in time, the world is always in turmoil. Uh, and at this recent moment, we have seen a lot of accidents. The people are always praying, the people are always scared. But don't let that scare eat you alive. Always cling more into Jesus, always cling more into the positive side. Because if we focus on the negative side, we will feel sorry for ourselves. And I can see some of the good people are getting angry at this moment because of the injustice that we are facing here in the Philippines. And this is just a simple reminder from me. We need to let go of the things that we cannot control, and we need to focus on the things that we can only control. We have three things. The first one is the things that we can control. The second one is the things that only God can control. And the third thing is the things that we can control and also God. So the three things are all options for us. Also, I can also see in this card that a kind person will be very kind, you get if they get angry, you need to hide because that's the equivalent of their kindness. It's also the type of person that is both extreme when they are angry, they are extremely angry, and when they are very kind, they are very kind. Okay, let's proceed to the next card. Hold on. Okay, Knight of Cups. What I can see in this card that a lot of people are suffering right now, and they only use what they have left. I just want to say thank you to the helpful people that doesn't hesitate to help a lot of people. Also, just keep going. You can see the face of this soldier. It's very sad, but this soldier had a conversation in his horse, and this soldier is telling the horse that we need to keep going no matter how bad things are. We need to keep going no matter how life uh, gives us every day. Even if we are sad or happy or we are struggling, we need to keep going. As you can see, the road is still long before you go to the place that you want to go. So just keep going, continue. You just need to be tougher at this time, year 2025. Okay? The third card is, what's this? I can sense some insecurity here. Hmm. Nine of sticks. A lot of I can feel a lot of people here are insecure, but we don't need to judge the person of they if they are insecure because they are just taking care of themselves. Sometimes they feel insecurity because a lot of people hurt them, and insecurity when they feel insecure, They are protecting themselves. If you are insecure, you need to better yourself. You need to look good. You need to be kind to the people around you. You need to be more friendly. And also, don't worry. The things that you have, nobody can get that. So, just take care of the things that you have. You are unique. Are you confused sometimes? Because we are all God made and we all have the same eyes, nose, mouth, eyebrows, ears, but we all look different. That is the magic of God. We are all human being but we look different. So sometimes insecurity helps. The fourth card is what's this? Three of Cups. I can see a lot of people here are celebrating, even in the smallest way, because they hold on to the small things because that small things gives them joy. That is one of the most important emotion that we have to have every single day, no matter how hard life is, because joy makes you alive. I can also sense in this card that we need to listen and pray more. Make our faith stronger than yesterday. And also, we need to cling on more to the good people around us. And stay away from the negative people that only sucks your energy. They are called energy vampires. I would just like to say a little throwback. Way back ago, we watched the we watched a movie in the movie house. What's the title? It's all about emotions. I forgot the title, but it's a good one because one of the main characters is Joy, and at the end of the movie, she's also devastated. It only shows that even if you are a joyful person, you also get depressed because everything has balance. When you study feng shui more, we have joy and we also have pain. So everything needs to be balanced. We have last four cards here. This is just a general reading. If you are not interested into feng shui, you can skip my video. Oh, this is so sad. Other people are thinking that there is no hope, but there is still hope. This is Four of Swords. Um, a lot of people right now are hopeless, depressed, having a panic attack, having anxiety attack because of all the pressures that we are in right now. And I can also sense in this card that some of us are connecting to our soul more, connecting to our higher self, praying more, trusting more, believing more that God and our angels will take care of us. Did you know that when you are born in this earth, you already have your angels beside you? Even if we cannot see the angels, they are just here, loving us, guiding us, telling us what to do. Do you notice sometimes, uh, 1 hour before the rain, there is just a voice inside your head or near your ears that will tell, take care of yourself, it will rain, bring your umbrella. That is your kutub or intuition. It will help you and it will save you always. So don't ignore it. Last three cards. Okay. Mm. This is the card of Six of Coins or Six of Pentacles. Okay. It's really bad A overgiver. You can help others, but you need to focus more on yourself. So if you have a lot, you can give a lot. And I also want to say thank you to the good-hearted politicians that always think of helping others, not just by showing them that they they need to receive help. This is a good-hearted human being, always thinking of others because he has a lot. He's rich. And do you see the two beggars? What I can see here is you need to give responsibilities or duty work. They need work, and for those people who are working, uh, we cry sometimes because we are overly exhausted, we are overly tired, but we didn't realize that we are still lucky because we have many resources. We have a lot of things that gives us a lot of money. So let's always be thankful, grateful. We need to be happy, we need to be grateful more, we need to be feeling blessed. That's it. Compared to the people that has no work and they are jobless. Let's pray for them. And if you're a overgiver, they will just ask and ask for help from you. So you need to protect your energy because at the end you will be drained and it's really bad. Okay. We have here the King of Swords. This is the seventh card here in my deck. Oh, okay. What the message that I can feel in this card is we need to stay away from the people that are always angry because they will just suck all your positive energy. Also, sometimes when you meet a person who is always angry and when you talk to them, they are always telling the truth. We can have a lot of advices from them. So, take the time to talk to them and ask for advice. I can also sense in this card that at this point in time, we need to help each other. We need to be happy. We need to laugh more. We can watch some movies or we can watch some comedy, cartoons. Laugh more. Make yourself happier. Me personally, I cannot live without comedy. I cannot live without laughter. It really helps me a lot mentally. And the last card we have is one of the most wonderful card in the deck is the World card. This is so nice because this represents a lot of things. This is my card and it represents new beginnings, and I can also see in this card that a lot of people today are just choosing animals over people because of the peace of mind. Others are going to the provinces to have a lot of relaxation. Some of them are going to the beach because it's really therapeutic. Nature is a part of the earth and nature is God made. It's also a gift from God. We just need to take care of the nature because the nature is taking care of us here in the earth. Some of the people right now is manifesting more than others because they are focused on what they want. So keep going. I can also see the aura. This is the aura of the human being. Protect your aura always. Stay away from the negative people that makes you sad, depressed, angry, panic attack, devastated. Always Go to the places that you are accepted. Always go to the places that you are happy. Always go to the people that helps you, and you can also help back, so that you will have a good energy exchange. Okay, my reading is done, and I hope that this helps a lot. If you know someone who is having suicidal thoughts, wants to end their life, or if they are extremely sad and it's been going for years, I can also help with that. So don't you don't need to be shy. Just send me a personal message. Take care everyone and have a great day. Bye.